I made this resume builder iOS app with AI and I did not write a single line of code. I just described my app idea to this platform through a prompt and it built the app in just a few minutes. This is what we call vibe coding, and today I am going to show you the complete workflow of building a native iOS app like this and even publish it to the App Store. So let's get started. So this is the platform I am going to talk about today, which is called Superapp, and through this platform I built that resume builder iOS app, and this is its website. You can see here it is written build iOS apps with AI, your technical co-founder for Apple ecosystem. So you can build apps for iPhone, iPad, macOS and even Apple Watch. So first of all, you need to sign in through your Google account or your Apple ID, and then you have to download its app for your Mac and then install on your Mac. Along with that, you also have to install Xcode on your MacBook if it is not already installed. So after installing, you have to just open Superapp on your MacBook and then you can just build any type of app you want to build. So this is how the interface of Superapp looks like. This is the home page, and here you get an input box where you can just describe the app you want to build. And other than that, here are many other options like you can choose device type. If you want to build apps for iPhone, you can select that, and then you can build apps for iPad, macOS, even Apple Watch. And then there are options for adding reference images, any website reference, or if you have any Figma design, you can just paste that link and it will build the app as per that. So currently I am just writing my prompt, my app idea, and today I am going to show you the complete workflow of building a resume builder website. So I am typing here a resume builder app where any user can just type his details and it gives different templates to download a PDF resume. So this is a very simple prompt I just entered. This is my app idea, and now I have to just click here on the enter button and Superapp will start building the app. You can see here it is just thinking currently, and then it will just create files and then your app will be ready in just a few minutes. So now you can see it has built the initial version of the app and it is showing into a simulator of iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I think it is looking good. This is the home page, and it has built some other tabs also like templates, then my resumes and then profile. So currently it is only showing the home page, but it has not built other tabs. So currently it has just structured it into a full-fledged app. So let's see what it has done. So you can see it has created many files and you can see it has created .swift files. So Swift is basically a programming language developed by Apple, and any app used for iPhone, iPads are built through Swift programming language. So as I told you, like this platform Superapp builds native iOS apps. So you can see it has created .swift files. So along with that, you can see here it is showing some prompts. You can just click here. You don't have to think like what I should write next, what I should ask Superapp to build next. So it is showing some prompts. You can just click here like build the resume form, templates, gallery, PDF generator and share, persistence for cloud storage and data sync. So you can just click one by one, or you can just type here build everything, and now it will just start building every other features it has just structured now. So you can just ask Superapp to improve your app, like anything you want to change or any feature you want to add, you can just type here, and then Superapp will just start working on that. So now it has built all the features of the app. So let's see what it has built. Everything is built and running. What's fully functional resume builder, then templates gallery, my resumes. So let's see. So this is the home page and I think it is looking good, and then there is templates tab and I think it is also good. There are 6 templates, and then there is my resumes. So whatever resume I will just create, it will show here, and then there is profile section. So currently you can see I can just edit profile, and then there are other options also. So let's try to build a resume. So I am clicking here create new resume, and then it is asking details, personal info. First of all it is asking, so I am just filling some demo data. So I have filled some personal info, and then I am clicking here next. So other than that, it is asking a professional summary. So this is the professional summary of me, and then I am just clicking here next, and then it is asking experience. So I am just typing here, then it is asking education, then it is asking skills, and then I am just clicking here save resume, and let's now go to my resume. So this is the current resume I just created. So I am just clicking here, so you can just edit any info. So now the resume is being shown as a preview. You can see here are some categories like some templates. So currently it is modern, minimal, then there is executive template, then there is creative coral template, then there is another template. So this is a very good feature, like you can just type your details once, and then you can visualize your resume in different templates, different styles, and whatever style you choose, you just click here, and then you can just share it, or you can download it as a PDF. So this is a very good feature, I think. So now let's go to other tab, profile, and let's see if I can edit this or not. So I am clicking here edit profile, and yes, I can edit this. So I am writing my name, and then there is some other options like font size. So yes, currently it is not working. These options are not working, you can see. So what I will do is I will just type here like some options not working. I will just ask it to make those work, and then when I go to the templates tab, so I think like these images should be showing the actual design of the final resume. So currently these are only showing some icons. So what I want is they should show the actual design of the resume. So I am also typing here. So now I am just clicking here enter, and now Superapp will just start working on whatever prompt I just entered. So now let's see what it has done. So here it is showing like both issues fixed. So let's see, first of all the profile section it is showing. So earlier these options were not working. Yes, now it is showing font size, it is working. Now let's go to the templates tab, and now you can see earlier there were only some icons, but now the templates are showing the exact style of how your resume will look like. So now I think it is looking good. And if you want to add more templates, you can just ask Superapp to add some more templates, and it will add. So now I think my resume builder app is working good, and it is also looking good. So one thing is left here, like whatever data you will fill, so it will not be stored anywhere, because I have not connected it to any cloud storage or any database platform. So here if you see on the Superapp platform, here it is showing a prompt cloud sync, Supabase backend to sync resumes across devices. So Supabase is basically a platform for database, user authentication and storage, and you can integrate your app with Supabase, and then whatever data you will fill or any user will fill on your app, everything will be stored here. So first of all you have to create a project on Supabase. So you can see there is an option start your project, and then you can just create a project. So earlier I have created some projects, you can see, for a job board app, then a fitness app, and then a finance tracker app. So currently I am going to click here new project, and I am naming the project resume builder, and then I am typing here some password, and then you have to just click here create new project, and your Supabase project will be created, and then it will be visible on the Superapp platform where you can just integrate it. So now if I click here on Supabase projects, you can see here is the new project I just created, resume builder. So I am selecting it, and then I am clicking here connect, and after that you have to click here cloud sync, or you can just type here connect the app with Supabase, and now it will just start working on the Supabase integration, and then I will show you what it is doing. So here you can see it is showing database schema is live in Supabase with profiles table, resumes table. So it has created some database table. So let's now go to Supabase, and this is our project. So now I'm going to table editor, and here you can see there is profiles tab, and there is profiles table, and then there is resumes. So now whatever profile anyone will create, that data will be stored here, and anyone will create some resumes, so that data will be stored here. So this way you can add the option of cloud sync to your app, and when your app is finally ready, then you can just publish your app to the app store. So Superapp has the option of publishing your app to the app store. So you can see here is an option of publish, submit your app to the app store or test flight. If you click here, you have to just log in through your Apple ID, and then you also need a developer account, and if you don't have, you can just enroll for that. It will be charged $99 per year, and then you can publish n number of apps to the app store. So this is how you can build native iOS apps with Superapp. Along with that, you can also build apps for iPad, macOS, and even Apple Watch. So the link for Superapp will be in the video description. You can try it out, and you can build any type of app you want to build. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.